How to post a job on Upwork in 2022. First off, make sure you have a client account and not a freelancer account. With a freelancer account, it won't let you post jobs, but with a client account, you can create a job post. So from here, we want to select post a job, and then we need to write the headline for our job and what we are searching for. So for example, I'm going to write video editor needed, and now it's going to match us with similar terms if we press on next. So if we click next, as you can see, the terms are all related to video editing here. So I'm going to select video editing. Maybe you want to add what software they should use: Adobe Premiere Pro, post video editing, Adobe After Effects, and Final Cut Pro 10, for example. And for best results, Upwork recommends applying 3 to 5 skills. So after we've given Upwork this information, we need to click on next again. And here, estimate the scope of your work. So either large, medium, or small. Small, quick and straightforward tasks. Super simple tasks. Medium and large, you can read this for yourself. So let's say mine is small. And how long will your work take? Obviously the number of months is going to take, let's say, less than a month. And what level of experience will be needed? So this shows for people, for the freelancers who are applying for this job. So entry, intermediate, or expert. Let's say I just want somebody who's getting into video editing to mess up my project. So I click on entry, and then after we've selected all of these criteria, we click on next again, budget. So you can either do hourly rate or project budget. Let's say I want them to edit one video, so I'm just going to do a project budget. So for one video, I'm going to do $10. This is just an example. And then after you've set the budget, you wanna write a description. There is a minimum word limit or character limit. So let's say need a video editor for one video, will pay instantly after work is approved. This is just an example. Okay, Upwork is going to give you a little bit of feedback. Your description looks a little short. Add details like your project milestones and a bit about your team. But let's say you're just getting started. We are going to use this. You can attach an image here if you want to advertise your company or wherever you are doing. And then we click on review job post. So what happens after you post a job? You receive proposals and you can invite talent to your job. No charges until you hire. So you won't be charged until you approve somebody as a member of your team. So right here, I'm just going to exit out of this, and we're going to look at what we've just created. Job details, video editor needed. Need a video editor for one video, will pay instantly after work is approved. So category, this is where your category for video editing comes into play, as is for my example, I mean. Skills that are needed, scope, gives you all of the information, summary, budget. Screening questions, you can add here screening questions and advanced preferences. For the screening questions, you have some suggested ones, as describe your recent experience with similar projects, so on and so forth. You can add these if you would like, they're optional. And advanced preferences, English level, hire date, talent, you can select independent agency, hours per week, how many hours they can work, number of professionals needed, region, talent type. And after you are done with all of this, you can select this green button right here, and you will have officially created this job post. So if people apply, you can zip through them and decide on who you want to work for you. I hope this video was useful. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time. Take care.